we are at Plano Kawasaki. Let's turn it over to Mike. He's the sales manager, and we'll run through these real quick. Okay, Mike, tell us what you know about all these.
Well, this bike right here is kind of a tough bike to get. This is the KRT edition Zx10R ABS.
Yep, speak up just a little bit.
This motorcycle, we have it in ABS and non-ABS models, and I've also got both colors right now. We've got the black and we've got the KRT. So if you need one of these, we've got them in stock, and that's a very sought after.
In Plano Kawasaki being a mega dealer and they turn more inventory for Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Aprilia. They've got the two black ZX10s back there. They've got the inventory on this stuff, and we'll go to the GSX-R 1000 next.
GSX-R 1000. We have this one. It's a 25 model. We've got it in silver. We've also got some reds on the way.
Yep, and I did a review on both of these, the 2025 GSX-R 1000. Tell me that ain't the deal of the century. I hope you can get that in there. $16,499. They also make a version that's got the gas charged forks, and what do they call that? That's the R model.
That's the R model. We've got one in the back being put together right
got
now.
One in the back. I did a review on both these bikes. The ZX-10R, and I'll put that up there. The GSX-R, I rode a red one. Boy, look at this bad boy. What are we looking at here?
Well, this is the only one of these we've got. They've been very hard to get. ZX-14R ABS model. This one does have a couple of little things installed on it, like a windscreen.
Yep, it's got the windscreen.
But this is the red and the gray color.
25 model, $17,599.
We're working on getting more of these all the time.
Yep, working on getting more of these. Let's go to this next bike, but the ZX-14R is a legend. It's an icon in these motorcycles. Look at that bike. Brembo brakes, steel braided lines. There's so much about that bike that just makes it so awesome. Quick shot over there. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, Mike, what are we looking at now?
Well, this is the new 25 Z900 SE ABS.
This is the 25 Z900 SE ABS, and it's the new...
It's got the new TFT.
New TFT Kawasaki stuff. It's a totally redesigned screen. Get that close up. It is a beautiful bike. It's got Brembo brakes. You can see the steel braided lines. It's got steel braided where the Z is there, or steel braided. It's like a stainless steel right there, green frame. This bike, quick shifter. Also too, the oil filter on it, super easy to change your oil. Okay.
While we're looking at this one, let's look at that red one, the Z900 and the 2024
Oh
model.
yeah.
And these are on sale for $91.49 right now.
Oh,
so,
you got some 24 models that Kawasaki sent you?
Yep, got a handful.
Yep, and they're on for how much?
That one is it's actually $91.49 right now.
$91.49.
It's a really good buy, and
Brand
we've
new
got two or
bike.
three of those left if you're looking for a really good deal.
Yep, and it's got the red frame, the red wheels.
It's ABS model.
ABS,
Yep.
I mean, excellent bike.
Really good.
And let's go to, oh boy, what do we got? Is this here?
This is a rocket ship. This is 24 ZH2 SE ABS.
Yeah.
This is a bike that is a 24 that we got in on kind of a special order situation. So
Yeah.
it's an extremely good price. Where the new ones are thousands more. This one is 21.3.
21.3 is that the price on it?
Yeah, 21.3.
Okay.
Plus your normal, freight and
Yeah.
setup. You do have to pay some sales tax and registration.
Yep. And it's got the Gibbs and Kawasaki intelligent braking system
Brand new motorcycle.
on it. Got the painted trellis frame. Man, this bike right here, it also has the electronic suspension. I don't know if you can see that wire coming out of the fork, but cruise control. That bike right there is a Kawasaki street bully. I mean, with that supercharger, at the supercharger, yeah, ZH2. And you can see that supercharger back there. You can flash this bike, put a Brenton flash on it, and go to 240 horse. That bike right there is so awesome. Brembo brakes. This, you just
Super
can't
fast.
say it. Yeah, super fast.
It's not the bike.
Super,
It's not for everybody.
yeah, supercar killer. But look at this thing. Now here's another one, supercar killer. But the extras that it has on it, the forward sensing radar,
Yeah. It has adaptive cruise. It has all
adaptive
kinds of
cruise.
things. Yep.
It has, if somebody's coming up beside you
Yep.
in the back, the mirror will flash an
That's
orange.
the 25 H2 SX SE ABS.
H2 H2 SX SE ABS, 29.1, and this has got it all LED. This would be more of a guy that wants to ride something, that wants all the horsepower but the comfort too. Auto high beam. I don't know if you can see that on the screen there.
This particular bike is sold,
Oh, it is. You already
but I
sold
can
it.
get more.
Yeah, you got more
Tonight.
coming.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That guy had a deposit on the first
And you
one
always
coming in.
want to call Kawasaki 972-422
4111.
4111.
And you can text even on the weekends.
Yeah, you can text on-
972-422-4111 anytime, and you'll get a response.
So even on their website, which is always in the description of my video, you'll get an answer even on the weekend. It sends a text to one of the salesmen and they'll answer you back.
That's right.
But this is a high volume Kawasaki Aprilia store. They've got the new GSXs in. They do Moto Guzzi as well. The Stelvios. They've got the whole Moto Guzzi line. And the 457s, we're fixing to have a deal here in the near future where they put a different map in it, the quick shifter, and I told you all that on another one. But you can see back there all the Moto Guzzis. The dealership just opened probably 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. There's already customers in here. This is a very fast-paced dealership. So in here, what do we got here, Mike? That's a 24 that's a 24 Z900 that we talked about earlier. And they've got the 25 version of the GSX-1000 coming in with the new TFT screen. And let's take a quick run around the dealership.
Financing on anything. All the new programs have come out. If you want to know what's going on, give me a call, 972-422-4111. I'll be happy to take your call and walk you through the finance programs as well.
So, man, I appreciate y'all coming. We're going to take a quick ride around the dealership here and show you everything they got right now. Inventory is not a problem. This is a mega dealership. And how many bikes do y'all have on the floor, Mike?
Floor right now, probably somewhere in the area of 100.
Yeah.
Very close.
Yeah, see, I would have guessed.
A bunch more out there.
I would have guessed a lot more. But let's take a quick ride around here.